Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a mini wireless spy security camera. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing a mini camera that's like a portable video recorder. And this is kind of like a spy camera. And look how small this camera is. This is actually smaller than another spy camera I reviewed in the past. So if you're looking for something that you can keep small and discreet, definitely take a look at this product. This supports, 1080p video playback. It also has an SD card slot, so we can actually save all our footage onto. And we're just gonna, do a quick little test and see what this mini spy camera has to offer. But before we get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns? Leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in getting some sort of spy camera. Also, if you guys want to check out this product or get more detailed specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested in that kind of info, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this particular camera. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the overall packaging of this spy camera or mini camera is fairly simple, but there is a few specifications and details which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. It just says mini camera, portable video recorder, and we have a visual representation of the actual camera itself. It's 1080p, it's mini DV, has motion detection. I did forget to mention it also has night vision. And there's a lot of different things that this mini camera has to offer. So you guys can see, yep, it has a few different things, relevant parameters if you want to take a look at that kind of details. And then, yeah, that's basically it. So let's get cracking with the unboxing. I'm going to open it up. We're going to pull out this mini camera. Let's take a look at the accessories. So they included a card reader. We also have the SIM eject tool, which is actually a reset button for this mini camera. So if you need to reset the camera, you need to utilize this little tool that they included. We also have like an HDMI to... I think that is micro USB. No, that's a different type of USB. I forgot the name of this. And it's also this yellow cable. I forgot what this cable actually does. Then we also have like this little clip. So if we wanted to, we can actually attach this onto our body and have this mini camera like on our side, like as a mini body camera if we wanted to do that. So it's nice to see that they included that. We also have a plate. So this, we can actually attach the mini camera onto and actually stick this onto the side of our house or on our wall. You guys can see they even have some screw cutouts, so you can actually screw this into the side of your house. And this can fully rotate around. So that's also nice to see as well. And I believe this is 3M tape that's on the back. So if we wanted to, we can actually stick this onto our wall without having actually to screw this camera in. Take a look at the user manual. And this user manual is actually pretty decent. So you guys can see it's a pretty decent manual, and I do recommend you guys reading this user manual, especially if it's your first time setting up this product, because it has a lot of useful information and specifications and how to get started with the camera and how to get all your data and videos off of it. So definitely look at this if it's your first time using this camera. But now let's take a look at the mini camera itself. So let me pull it out, and you guys can see, oh my goodness, this mini camera is probably the smallest camera you can get on Amazon. And I'm not even lying about that. This is how the camera looks like. Wow. Oh my goodness. And it looks like we have a power on button and a mode button on the side right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here's the lens of the camera right here. And we have our infrared LEDs all around the camera. So if it was in the nighttime, that would actually turn on and activate so you can actually capture footage in the night. On this side, we have our charging port, and we also have an SD port. There is two modes to record off of this mini camera. You can do motion detection mode, or detection mode, I should say, or you can do 24/7 mode. But in order to do the loop recording, you do need to keep it plugged in at all times so that if the battery drains completely, it will still continue recording. So all that's left to do is test out this mini camera and see if it actually performs and functions correctly. Let's actually power on this mini spy camera, security camera, whatever you want to call it. So in order to actually power it on, there is a power button and a mode button like I mentioned in the unboxing part of the video. So let's actually press on the power button. I think I need to hold it down. There we go. And I can see a light is blinking. What I'm gonna do is actually put in a micro SD card in, and hopefully it's gonna start filming. But let me plug this in, or put this in, I should say. Let me power it back on. It's flashing. Oh, the light's solid. In order to actually start the recording, all we need to do is click on that power button. So right now, the light is solid blue. So if I click on the power button, it should start recording and it should start flashing. Just like that. So right now, it should be recording me right now. So I don't know how this is gonna look like until I go back and review the footage, but maybe what I'll do is include the clip right off to the side of me right now so you guys can actually see how I look like. And this is the mini camera. Really very interesting. And I believe it is recording. I hope it is, or else I'll look really stupid right now. But this is how the quality looks like. I'm gonna face it onto the table now. Show you guys all the different accessories, the user manual, so you guys can see if we can read text. Very, very interesting if I do say so myself. But let's stop the recording now. And yeah, I think it did record. So you guys can see now the light is back blue. So I think the mini camera just recorded an audio, or not audio, but a video clip of me just right now. So it looks like with this camera too, you can actually have it so it can actually display a time code. So you can actually see what day and time it is exactly. So if you want to, you can actually set it up by connecting this to your computer. We're gonna test out the motion detection mode real quick. So in order to turn on the motion detection mode, you need to long press on the on and off button for 3 seconds to power on the camera, which we already have on. You guys can see the light should be blue. It looks like it powered off, so let me power back on. There we go, the light is solid blue. And now, if we wanna go into motion detection mode, we gotta press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds. So this button right here, for 3 seconds. There we go. And it's starting to flash with a blue and red light flashing 3 times, indicating it is motion detection on. And if it's recording, it's gonna basically have no LED lit during the recording. So whenever this camera detects any sort of motion, it will start filming automatically. And I believe it says it will record up to a minimum sequence of 1 minute long. And if it still detects motion, it will still continue recording until either the battery dies or until your card is full. So that's really cool to see. And it looks like it can record up to 5 minute long sequences. So that's really nice to see. And if you want to stop the recording, you basically, let's see, you have to press on the on and off button 1 time to stop the motion detection mode. So let me click on that. And you guys can see now the light is solid blue, letting us know that it's back into its original form. If you wanted to, there's actually an application you can install. It's like nchsoftware.com/capsule/index.html. If you have that application, you can actually attach this with the cable that they provided, and then you can install the drivers, and you can actually utilize this mini camera as a portable little webcam. So it's kind of cool. And yeah, so that's basically it. There is also not motion detection, but there's also night vision with this camera, which we can quickly test out. So you turn on the camera, click on the power button, hold it down until that light is blue, and now you need to press and hold the on and off button for 2 seconds, and a red LED light will flash 2 times, indicating that you're in infrared mode. So 2 seconds. And you guys can see it flash 2 times, and now it's in infrared mode. And press and hold the on and off button for 2 seconds. So if you press and hold for the on and off for 2 seconds, it will turn off infrared mode. So we should be in infrared mode right now. So let me press on the on and off button 1 time to start the recording. So this is infrared mode, and obviously I have all these studio lights on right now, so I don't know if the infrared mode is on. Alright, so I'm currently in a very dark part of the house, and I believe my infrared lights are on and it's currently recording me. So I know this is such an awkward location, but I just wanted to test out the infrared light, and I can see those 6 infrared LED lights on this mini camera, and hopefully you guys can see me. And I'm hoping this footage is not too creepy, but This is the infrared night vision. There is one more thing I want to show you guys before we end off this video, and that is the photo shooting mode. So if you click on the mode button, that's how you take a picture. So let me take a picture of myself. Okay, just took a picture. So yeah, this camera has a lot of features. You can take pictures with it. You can use motion detection. You can also use night vision, and you can use it as a webcam if you wanted to. So I think that's going to conclude our testing of this mini spy camera. And now what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So what are my final opinions and remarks about this mini spy camera? Well, I did not realize this, but this spy camera that we just reviewed does indeed record audio. What? Okay, and the audio was actually pretty good. I don't know. I don't know how they were able to make a camera this small, be able to record decent quality footage. I wouldn't say it's 1080p, but it's more like 720p, but even that too, it's still pretty decent. And it also has great audio. So this is essentially a spy camera. You can use this for spying purposes. I'm not saying any of you should, but technically this camera is small and mini and very compact to hide it in a location where someone shouldn't or wouldn't be able to see it. But with that being said, we're gonna end off the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested. If you're a business owner or a company owner wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any further assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, get more detailed specifications or parameters about this product, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested in that kind of info, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact mini camera. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.